Have you ever wondered what happens if there is a fire in your rental unit, or if a guest gets injured in your living room? Who is responsible for covering the costs for property damage or unexpected accidents? Navigating the world of rental agreements can sometimes feel like a puzzle, especially when it comes to insurance. Yes, landlords can generally enforce renters' insurance requirements for their tenants. This stipulation is usually included directly within the lease agreement, making it a legally binding condition of the tenancy. As long as the requirement does not violate any specific state or local housing laws, it is a perfectly valid part of a rental contract. The primary reason landlords requiring renters' insurance stems from risk management and liability protection. Renters' insurance typically covers a tenant's personal belongings against damage or theft, but crucially, it also includes liability coverage. This liability aspect protects both the tenant and potentially the landlord if someone is injured on the property due to the tenant's negligence, or if the tenant accidentally causes damage to the rental unit itself. Without this insurance, tenants might face significant out-of-pocket expenses, and landlords could be drawn into costly legal disputes, even for issues that are clearly the tenant's responsibility. For landlords, this means carefully drafting your lease to clearly state the requirement, the minimum coverage amounts, and the deadline for proof of insurance. Tenants should then actively seek out a policy that meets these requirements, often from their existing car insurance provider or specialized renters insurance companies. It is wise for both parties to understand what the policy covers and what it does not, to avoid future misunderstandings. An important detail for landlords is often being listed as an additional interest or interested party on the tenant's policy. This notification ensures the landlord is informed if the policy lapses or is canceled, providing an extra layer of security. For tenants, renters' insurance is surprisingly affordable, often costing less than $20 per month. Yet, it provides substantial protection for thousands of dollars worth of personal property and liability coverage. Ultimately, requiring renters' insurance is a smart strategy that benefits everyone involved in a rental agreement. It provides financial security for tenants by protecting their personal assets and covering unexpected liabilities. For landlords, it reduces potential risks and helps ensure that repair costs or legal claims resulting from tenant-related incidents are handled efficiently, fostering a more secure and predictable rental experience for all.